let's talk about how to find your plant community. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today's video, we are going to talk about how to find your plant community. It's raining very hard right here, so if you hear some thunderstorm going on in the background, please bear with me. Alright, let's jump back to our topic today. I got asked this question very often. Nicole, how do you know there's a plant event going on? How did you find out that awesome plant swap event? Or how do you connect with plant lovers, even locally? I watch a lot of YouTube videos, but I haven't seen anyone talk about it. I think this is very important because I'm not the only one having obsession with plants or my garden. I want to talk to people and share with people, or even ask questions. What's going on with my tomatoes? Why there are so many beetles on my eggplant? How do I get rid of them? Why my plant is having root rot problem? Being in the plant community makes me feel like I'm not alone. So I want to share a few tips with you about how I found my plant community. Social media is a very powerful tool. Let's talk about Facebook first. If I want to find a local gardening group in my area, I will go to Facebook, and in the search bar, I will put the keywords, my city name, plus the subject, gardening. So I put Kansas City gardening, and then you will see a lot of results. I usually will look how many members in that specific group. If there are thousands or over thousands of people in that group, I know it's very popular. People are interacting with each other, then I will join that group. Instagram is also very helpful because people use hashtag, and this is how you can find so many pictures or creatives about the plants. For example, I would put bird of paradise in the search bar, and I will see a lot of people's bird of paradise plant. I can also find the creatives. If I want to know what are the easy house plants that I could get, then I will put easy plant or easy house plant. If I want to see how people use plants to decorate their home, I will put plant home decoration. The next one I want to talk about is YouTube. YouTube has so many good resources, and there are so many good YouTubers out there to share some care tips of a specific plant. And under their video, you can leave a comment, you can ask the YouTuber a specific question, or you just interact with people in the comment section. And this is how I connect a lot of plant lovers online. Another place that I like to hang out a lot is Reddit. There are so many forums. They exist, but nobody interacts with you, and this is what I hate. And Reddit is completely opposite. If I have a question about the plant ID, I post a picture there, and within 5 minutes or even shorter, people just respond to my post. There are just so many members in Reddit, and they use Reddit to share their knowledge about plants. I really like that platform. Those are the tips about how I found my plant community. Did I miss out anything? Is there another platform or app also very helpful on finding a good plant community? Please leave a comment down below. I'm very curious. That's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!